Hello my dear traders, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade on support and resistance levels, on downtrends, uptrends and other patterns and situations on the market. Guys, I want to remind you that I use 15 seconds Japanese candlesticks to analyze the market. I will open deals from 1 to 5 minutes. Of course, everything depends on the situation. And my dear traders, I want to remind you that I trade on the situations I know best and I feel confident with. So guys, please watch this video till the end. Perhaps you will like this video and you were able to learn something new. Also guys, I want to remind you that experience is everything in trading. It's super important. So don't forget that you also should practice on your own. Try to trade as much as possible, and if you have some unlucky situations, you have losses, it's totally fine, guys. It's impossible to have only profitable deals when you just started. So guys, don't forget to practice, don't forget to be motivated, and don't forget to learn and learn more as much as possible. Also guys, perhaps you will like my strategy and the way I trade, so that's why I definitely advise you to watch this video till the end. And my dear traders, I also have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals. First of all, these are my trading signals, and if you want to get them super easy, text me code word signal. The link will be down below. Also my dear traders, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and put a big thumbs up. Your support is everything for me. And so guys, I can't wait to start. Let's find the first entry point. We have a level of support down here, and we see that the price has already touched this level before. At the same time, we also see that a little higher there is also an internal support level at which the price also reacted, and there was an upward pullback. And after the pullback, the price has again approached our level. There is certain compression of the internal support level. At the same time, we see that there is still space for the main support level. I suggest opening a deal here for 3 minutes down on a downtrend, because we see that the price has an excellent potential to decrease. It is confidently moving down. At the same time, the price also gave reaction at the internal support level. I think it's more like the price will continue to move down. We'll try to make money on this downward movement. At the same time, I took 3 minutes, take into account the possible correction. So I hope this time, guys, will be enough. Just at the moment, we see that the price has already broken through the internal support level and continued to move towards the main level. Well, let's watch the price and wait for the result, guys. Well guys, it's not bad at all. The price continued to move down and we are making profit here. As you can see, 3 minutes was just enough for us. I have just managed to earn on the downtrend. The price has a really great potential to go down. Well guys, let's continue and find another situation. So guys, I am on the same currency pair after a while. We see that after touching the support level, there was an upward pullback. And now, after a small correction, the price has turned around and is approaching our level again. At the same time, we also see that there is still space for the level of support. I suggest opening the next deal here. Let's go down with you for 3 minutes. For sure, the price will continue to move directly to support level. We will try to make money on this downward movement. I also took 3 minutes, guys, to spare, take into account that the possible correction or pullback can occur. I hope that this time it will be enough. So guys, let's watch the price and wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price was moving in the correction zone, but the closing point of our deal seemed lower than the opening point. This means that we are making profit. I have managed to earn on this downward movement. Well, let's continue, guys, and find another situation in the market. So we have a resistance level at the top here. At the same time, we also see that at the moment there is an uptrend. The price is moving up and approaching our level. At the same time, we also see that the main price lows are getting higher. At the same time, there's still quite a lot of space before the resistance level. In this case, I suggest opening a deal with a margin of 5 minutes up in an uptrend. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level, and it is on this upward movement that we'll try to make money. At the same time, I also took 5 minutes with the margin, taking into account that the price may move in the correction zone. Rollbacks can also occur downwards because, as you understand, even with an uptrend, there are pullbacks down, and as the price moves in waves. It is with all these movements we took such time. Let's wait for the result, guys. Great, guys, as you can see, the price really continued to move up. It moved in waves. 5 minutes was enough for us. I have correctly managed to predict the further price movement. I have just made money on an uptrend. These situations work great, guys. Well, let's continue to find another situation on the market. So, my dear traders, here we have a resistance level. We also see that the price has reached our level and a breakout has occurred. At the moment, impulsive green candles are being formed, and now after breaking through the level, the price has stopped. There is some kind of attenuation. It is quite possible that in the near future the price will fall into the correction zone. There will be a rollback in the opposite direction. I suggest opening a deal here for 1 minute down. I hope that 1 minute in this situation will be enough for us, and we'll have enough time to work with you on this downward corrective movement, because as in most cases, after breaking through the level, the price falls into the correction zone. There is a rollback in the opposite direction. I hope that the same thing will happen in this time. So let's wait for the result, guys. Amazing, the price has entered the correction zone. As you can see, there has been a pullback down and we are making profit here. 1 minute was just enough for us. These situations really work great, guys. Let's continue our trading and find the next entry point. Here we see the resistance level. At the same time, we'll also see that at the moment there is a good confident upward movement. The price has a good potential to increase. In this case, I suggest opening a deal for 5 minutes up in an uptrend. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the resistance level. We'll try to make money on this upward movement. And at the same time, I also took 5 minutes with a margin, taking into account a possible correction or a pullback down. Because as we can see, guys, that the price has been steadily moving up for a long time. At the same time, the price is approaching the resistance level. This means that some kind of reaction may occur in this area. A downward pullback may occur, or for example, the price will fall into the correction zone. Well, guys, as you can see, the price really got into the correction zone. There was a pullback downwards. After that, the downward movement continued and we made a profit. 5 minutes was just perfect for us. The price really continued to move towards the resistance level. I have managed to earn on this upward movement. So, guys, let's continue. Alright, I decided to open the next deal here on the same currency pair after a while, because we see that at the moment there has been a certain tightening of the resistance level. I think it's more likely that the price will continue to move up in the near future. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken through. We will try to make money on this upward movement. I hope that 3 minutes will be enough this time, or as the price is close to the level. So guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, as you can see, there has been a downward pullback, but after the pullback, the price turned around and continued moving towards the level again. This is where we got the profit. 3 minutes was just enough for us. I have managed to earn on this upward movement. So guys, let's continue and find some other situation in the market. So we have a level of support down here. At the same time, we can see that at the moment there is a downward movement. The price is approaching our level. At the same time, there's still quite a lot of space before the support level. Just at the moment, there is an upward pullback. Here I propose to open a deal for 5 minutes down on downtrend. It is more likely the price will continue to move down. We will try to make money on this downward movement. I hope that 5 minutes will be enough this time as well. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great, guys, the price continued to move downwards. This level has also been broken through and we got a great profit. I have again correctly managed to predict the further price movement. As you can see, technical analysis works great. Well, meanwhile, I already have over $4,000 on my deposit, and I suggest open one more last deal for today. Well guys, I'll just find some situation in the market and we'll continue. So there is a level of support here. At the same time, we can see that at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond it. I suggest opening a deal with you here for 1 minute down. We'll try to make money on this downward movement. Perhaps I will get into the very impulsive movement of the price down, because the price here also has an extra potential to go down. I hope that 1 minute here will be enough. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price continued to move down and we got the profit. 1 minute was just enough for us. Well, in the meantime, I already have $8,000 on my deposit. Guys, I suggest we end this because I fulfilled my trading plan for today. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to learn something new. Guys, as you can see, at the beginning, everything can seem so difficult. But guys, with practice, everything gets better and better. So guys, don't forget to practice on your own. Don't forget to find similar situation and try to trade on them. And if you still feel like you have a lot of struggles on it, guys, I have a closed group. I'm sharing trading signals. These are my trading signals, and these trading signals are totally for free. You can try them. Super easy, guys. Just text me a code word signal if you want to get them in my Telegram. All the links will be down below. Also guys, don't forget to support this video because this is super important for me. Just put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment down below. And just guys, don't forget that experience is everything in the sphere. So don't forget to practice on your own. Take your time. Don't compare yourself with others because everyone needs its own amount of time. And I guess I will see you guys in the next video.